What's going on, adventurers? Adrian here again. Got Jackson with me today. We are just getting out with beautiful weather. Finally kind of done with those cold snaps, and we're gonna start fishing and doing more outdoor things and just kind of sharing more videos. So stay tuned, and we're glad to have you guys back and hope everybody's doing well. All right, so we're out here fishing, and my brand new pole, I did not make sure it was tight on there, and I lost part of it. And unfortunately, at the same time, the hook got snagged, and yeah, I lost that. So there's my brand new Ugly Stick GX2 pole that's now worthless for the time being. I do have another one, but I think I'm done, and we're just gonna explore a little bit more. So the joys of fishing. You learn, you make mistakes, and that's about it. So it's been a while since we've gone fishing, so I didn't check my stuff like I should have, and that's what you get. All right, so we're making the best of it, and we are just gonna explore around and have some fun. But you need to see this awesome area right here. This is absolutely beautiful. Man. It's like what? Like 3 minutes from the house, right, buddy? Oh yeah. Fun?